welcome to Crazy Town. I am your mayor, Minister Danielle K. Anderson, and here we talk about spirituality, self-improvement, and stuff I like. In this video, we are continuing our study of Cartomancy with the Eight of Diamonds. In this system, the Eight of Diamonds is called the Entrepreneur. This card is pretty straightforward, and it usually means that hard work is paying off, investments are yielding returns, or there may be an unexpected blessing of some great value coming to you in the near future. So when you see this card, it probably is a good idea to take a look at your budget and savings plan to make sure that your financial affairs are in good order. Now, according to numerology, the number 8 in general is typically associated with abundance, success, and financial and material gain. So it does stand to reason that the 8 of Diamonds specifically represents these things as well. That is all for the 8 of Diamonds. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, especially if you have questions. I love your questions. And if you are brand new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and become a citizen of Crazy Town to get notified of a new video whenever it comes out. In the meantime, you can get caught up on this series by clicking here. And finally, if you just can't wait until next week, no worries. The next episode in this series is right over there. Until next time, I'll see you in the cards.